Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by inspecting the kickstand and confirming it's the model with a metal hinge. This matters because you will work on fasteners and bushings. Once identified, make sure you have a small Torx driver, plastic pry pick, microfiber mat, and replacement hinge bushing kit. I recommend the exact model sized for your iPad year. Start in a well-lit area, power down the device, and remove any case or folio. This lets you access screws without forcing parts, which prevents tearing delicate covers or flex cables. You now remove the hinge screws in sequence, placing them in a labeled tray so reassembly matches order. This prevents misplacement and cross-threading. Next, use your plastic pick to separate the hinge cover from the case. Work slowly to avoid bending the hinge or popping the screen adhesive. Once exposed, remove the worn bushing and clean the seating with isopropyl on a lint-free swab. Then press in the new bushing, align the hinge plates, and hand start screws to confirm smooth rotation before torquing. You finish by tightening screws evenly until firm. Do not over-tighten because stripped threads cause future failure. Once assembled, cycle the kickstand through its full angle range while observing for binding, scraping, or excess play. This confirms correct bushing seating and hinge alignment. Make sure the display and any sensors function normally, then reinstall the folio or case. If you still feel wobble, stop and reopen. Check for a bent hinge plate or a stripped screw hole. Address those before final.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.